So at the large scale, we can identify this temperature structure by the so-called thermal lid of the ocean. So here's one example shown in this image. Essentially, you think of the world ocean as a big cake, and you cut through this cake in the Atlantic Ocean, just from the South Pole to the North Pole. Okay? And then you open up your cake, and this is how the structure of your temperature cake looks like. So here is this. Let me see, get the mouse going here. You can see this structure. Okay, you can see actually two type of features here, north and south of the equator. And this is north of the equator and south of the equator. Okay, you can see two bowl-shaped features of warmer water. Again, red is warm, blue is cold, and you can see that most parts of the ocean are less than 5 degrees. It's all the blue stuff is less than 5 degrees, very cold water. And this is what we call the permanent thermocline. Is the transition between the red near the surface, okay, or it can turn into green near the surface here, and the water that we find sort of the light blue. Okay, so it's between the surface and to a depth of 1,500 meters about. Okay, but it disappears, doesn't exist in polar regions. You can't see it north of 50 degrees here in the Southern Ocean. It disappears. Okay? And this is what we call the permanent thermocline, and the water contained within it is called central water. Okay. On the left just shows you a little sketch again. What is a seasonal thermocline? You know, seasonal thermocline is the temperature transition zone which is influenced by the seasons, and below that is the permanent thermocline. All right.